Hi friends, I'm going to make bhaji out of these leaves which is called karpooravalli in Tamil and Mexican oregano in English. So this is the batter that I'm going to use. I've not yet stirred it. I'll be stirring it and then starting. I've used water and made it as a soft batter. Now I'm going to dip the leaf and make the bhaji. See, the consistency should be good. Come out fluffy and nice. As the leaf is big, I'm going to cut it into half and make the bhaji. Tada! This is ready now. This is the karpooravalli bhaji that I was frying. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.